This is my important document, but somehow it is corrupted now. As you can see that whenever I open this, it shows this error. Excel cannot open the file because the format is not valid. If you are also facing this error, then you are on the right video. I will show you 3 methods by using these you can fix your corrupted Excel file. If one method doesn't work, you can try other method, so without wasting time, let's fix it. First method is provided by Excel to recover corrupted file. First of all, open Excel. Select the blank worksheet. Then go to File. Select Open, and click on Browse. Here select your corrupted Excel file which you want to recover. Besides Open, select Open and Repair. Then click on Repair. This will fix your file. In my case it didn't work. Now we will use other method to fix it. Right-click on your Excel file which you want to repair and go to Properties. Most of the errors are due to wrong file extension. Check file name, it should be .xlsx at the end. If not, then change the file format, your file will be fixed. If not, then go to Security and press Edit. Click on Add. Go to Advance. Then go to Find Now, scroll down and select Everyone. Click on OK. Allow full control, apply the settings. Now open the file, it should be fixed now. But in my case there is still error. We will go to third method. This method will work, but it has one negative point where you can say drawback. I will tell you at the end. Software name is 4D Dig Document Recovery. It is most popular and well-known data and file recovery tool available. This page we opened is for data recovery. For file recovery, go to their official website. Select the file repair option on top, and you will be redirected to this page. You can easily download this software in one click by clicking on Download. After downloading, open the software to recover your file. It has a lot of features, you can explore it, but for now click on File Repair, select your file to repair. It will take some time and repair your file. The con of this software is that it is not free, you have to purchase it in order to get your file repaired. Let me know in comments which method helped you fix your corrupted Excel file. Like, share and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.